Welcome back to your yoga challenge. We're on day 19, and today we're going to go over eagle pose. So eagle pose is a little similar to tree pose in the fact that we're balancing, but we've got a lot more energy going on in the inner thighs, squeezing everything in, and it has a lovely twist to it as well. So we're going to start in Tadasana, mountain pose, standing. Weight is going to come into the left foot. I'm going to face you. Weight is going to come into the left foot, just like we started off in eagle pose. Right leg starts to hover and lift. Squeeze the right knee all the way into the chest. Roll the shoulders, lift the heart. Energy is out of that left leg, so really finding this midline length, this strength all the way out of the left foot. We could be here just dumping, but we're going to be here lifting. So keep lifting, energy through the head. Now start to let go of that leg. You might find all the wobbles start to come in. Thread the right leg over the left thigh and either just place the right foot to the outer edge of the calf, outer edge of the shin, or start to double bind the right foot all the way round the left calf. Now instantly your right hip might squeeze forward. Can you pull it all the way back? And we're going to start to lower the hips, the knees, like as if we were going into chair pose. So gently starting to lower down. The right arm comes underneath the left arm. And maybe you take a double bind with the hands, or maybe you just leave the hands where they are. Can you start to lower the hips a little more? Now roll the shoulders down your back and start to send your elbows and your hands away from your face. So you feel this broadening across the shoulder blades. Take a breath here, inhale. Exhale, drop just a little bit lower. Can you squeeze the inner thighs in towards each other? One more breath, inhale, bring your gaze forward. Just focus on one spot. Exhale and inhale, bring it all the way up, gently unravel. Place the foot all the way down. Arms are releasing. Let's just interlace the hands behind the back. Roll the shoulders. Shoot the hands down and lift the chest. Just find a little bit of a back bend here, tucking the tailbone. Exhale, release that all the way. Shake it all out. Other side. So weight comes into the right foot now, spreading the foot, energy through the right foot, left foot starts to lift. Hug the left knee in towards the chest, roll the shoulders, standing really nice and tall. Start to remove the hands from the leg. Everything is squeezing, maybe wobbling. Inner thighs are starting to pull in towards one another, pelvic floor lifts. Left leg wraps over the right leg. Send it all the way over. Maybe it just comes to the outside of the calf, or maybe the foot wraps all the way around. Again, check in with the left hip. Has it squeezed forward? Can you really dial it back? Left arm comes underneath the right arm now. Double bind with the hands maybe if it's there for you, or just placing the hands just back to back. Roll the shoulders, start to sit a little bit lower into your eagle pose. Inner thighs are squeezing towards one another. Now start to send the elbows away from your face, hands away from your face. Find this space, this broadening across the scapula, across the shoulder blades. Can you drop a little lower? Navel is drawing in towards the spine. Take a breath, inhale. Exhale. And on your inhale, press into the right foot to bring you all the way up. Gently unravel all the way out. Place the left foot down. Pedal through the feet. And we'll just send the arms all the way up and overhead. Just find a full body stretch. Lengthening through the fingertips. Shoulders rolling down. Take one more breath, inhale. And just bring your hands all the way down through your heart center. Connecting back to the heart, to your energy. Roll the shoulders. And that is your eagle pose. A lovely, fiery pose, fiery balance with lovely twists all the way in. Have a lovely day. I'll see you tomorrow.